guys, it's Loey Shine, and today I'm going to be doing a room tour. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted a room tour, and you guys said yes, so I'm going to show you guys my room. Also, I'm going to try to describe where everything is from. Some things though I've made, and I also have some things that I've had for a long time or have been gifted to me, so I'm going to try my best to describe everything, but I'm sorry if I don't know where something is from. On my door I have this picture that I made, and then this is my room when you open it up. So this is my door once you're inside my room. I'm going to go first on what's next to it, which I have a 17 Director's Cut poster and then a Pentagon positive poster. And here I have this painting that my friend painted. And then here I have this bandana and a Daichi strap. And then here I have like a little whiteboard, and here's the door. I keep this like shoe rack kind of thing to organize my painting stuff. I have it like really full, but yeah. And then on the doorknob I have like some bags and some like face masks and stuff. And then I have a few pictures here of my family and friends, so that's covered up, you know. And then here I have a poster of Super M, then some fake flowers, and down here I keep some sketchbooks and chargers, and then my computer and tablet, and then I have a little trash bin and mirror. That's kind of messy, but up here I have some postcards that came on the Blooming Days albums for CBX. And here's my desk. So I already have like a desk tour up on my channel, but I'm still gonna go through this because some things have changed. So here's my chair with like a pillow. My desk is painted white, so it's not actually white, so that's why it's kind of like chipped here and it looks like pretty crusty. So excuse that, but on this side I have some just markers and pencils and stuff that I use a lot, and then up here I have my sketchbook and more like art supplies. Then I have this keychain of Inosuke from Demon Slayer. Then here I have this Daniel plush and then some markers and stuff that I use for school. And then here I have some Lomo cards and then a Polaroid. Then here is my wall grid. This usually stays the same, but I changed some of the pictures. These Instagram stuff, I made them, and then this album plush I've had for like years. And then these prints are just like random ones that I've had. And here I still have photos for when I journal. And then here I have this Kai Supreme photo card. And then here I keep a calendar from Woods Bunny Season Greeting for Woods. And then here I have X1 Hangul standee. I have some chapsticks and stuff, and then this I made from clay. It's from Toilet Bound Hanako-kun. And then here I have this Todoroki like figurine from Target. And on my lamp, I have this Victor from Yuri on Ice keychain. Then up here, I have some photo cards from Woods Bunny Season Greeting. Then I have some markers and stuff that I use for journaling. Here I have this little keychain from Barnes & Nobles. Then there's a little dinosaur that my friend made me. And then here I have some alcoholic markers. And then here I have this little like Tanjiro stress ball from Demon Slayer. Then here I have Demon Slayer manga, because this is what I'm currently reading. And here I keep my K-pop journal. Then I have like a little light box there. It's kind of hidden from my markers. But here I have more journals and stuff, and then my AirPods and this postcard from X1's album. And then I have this print of X1. So that's what's like on my desk. Next to my desk, I keep this NCT 127 Limitless poster and some pictures of Winter. And then I painted this painting. Then here I have this like clear file from Black Clover. Then here I have this little cart where it's like super messy, but I keep like my beauty supplies and stuff. So here I keep makeup, some jewelry, and like other stuff, and then here some more random like beauty stuff. And in this little corner I keep my school stuff, so some school supplies and my backpack. My backpack is full with like keychains and pins, but that's what I have in this corner. And then I have my printer. So on top of that I have my CD and this Bakugo painting that I made. And I have these fairy lights that have pictures of K-pop that were made to look like Polaroids. And then on the top I have random prints from either K-pop and then also covers from like Shonen Jump or official art. And here I have some butterflies hanging on the wall, but this is based from a TikTok. Here I have this Love Yourself poster from BTS. And on this top I just keep random stuff. There's some blocks of my name that I made, and then an XL stick version 2, and here I have this bookcase. In between the wall and bookcase I have this wooden easel, and then this apron for when I paint that I painted Main from BT21 on. Then I have some like poster tubes over there from K-pop. And up here I also have more posters. I just don't like have the time to like hang them up to sell them, so I just keep them in this little corner. But on the bookcase I keep my K-pop albums and stuff. So this shelf is for EXO. I have the Dear Happiness photo book and then EXO albums. And then I have my EXO light stick version 3, and then this Haru figure from Free. Then down here I have some more EXO albums that didn't fit up there, and I have some Winner and then Shiny and X1 albums here. And then here I have this Bacon and Key photo card. Here I have this plush that I got like a long time ago in Hawaii of Totoro. And then here I have a Winner pin that came with one of the Winner albums. Then I have this little Gone drawing that I got from these pins from an Etsy shop. And then this Shikamaru cutout that I made. Then down here I have another cutout that I made of Itachi. And then I have this BTS standee from one of their albums. And then some freebies of BTS. And here I keep Stray Kids, got 7, then I have Donghan, some Monster X, BTS, and then BAP and like other K-pop albums. And down here I have another cutout of Karasuno team, and then I have my photo card binder, and then I keep books on this shelf. And on the side of the bookcase I keep a sticker that came on Mama's like album packaging, and then I have this Universe postcard that came in the Winter Special album for 2017. Then I have another Weekly Shonen Jump cover picture, and on this little corner I have random prints of some artists and just some anime characters that I like. Here I have this little shelf organizer kind of thing where I keep my supplies for journaling. I have my washi tape here, and then stickers, and then some papers and stuff. And I have this really cool plush that I got a long time ago. And then I have my desktop here, and my keyboard and mouse. Then I have this little like poster kind of folder thing that I got from Wood's Funny Season Gritty. This shelf is very new, so I don't have a lot of stuff on this. Here I have some mangas from Bleach, And then here is the little postcard from Instagram where I got the pins of Hunter x Hunter. In the next shelf, I keep some more books. This winter light stick kind of thing that I got at the concert. And then I have some more CDs, but those are like non-K-pop. And then I have a Red Riot figure from My Hero Academia that I got at Target. And then my Nintendo Switch. And a little like McDonald's Chewbacca toy. Then here I keep my other manga, and then I have Given's like art photo book. And then here I have some extra albums that don't fit in this bookcase. And then I have this Kiki plush that my friend made, and then I have some like Thinkin' Putty. And then here is this 1 to 9 standee that came in their album. And then I have this slogan thing that I got at the winter concert in Seattle. And then here I have some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh when I was younger, but like I have no idea how to play them anymore. So I just have them here on display. And then here I have my old 3DS, and then I have this Pokemon Sun and Moon version case where I keep some of the games I have for my 3DS. And here I have this My Little Pony like comic book, and then GOT7's lookbook. And then I have some more markers, and then here I have some random stuff like this Attack on Titan keychain and Bungo Stray Dogs pin and a You're a Nice folder thing. And then I have this bin where I keep some snacks. Behind my desktop I have this little banner situation that I made of EXO. Above my window I have this slogan that I got at the winter concert. And next to my bed I have this rug from IKEA. And then next there's my bed, which I just have some random stuffed animals that I've had for like a while. And then this is my wall. The wall that is next to my window, I have this GOT7 Eyes on You poster and a 1 to 9 poster. And then I have random prints on this side. Up here I have a winner poster from their concert and some paintings that I made or that I have been given from family or friends. Here I have a lot of stickers and random prints. And then here I have some pictures from the winter concert. Up here I have Mino postcards from their second mini album, We. And then here I have some more prints. Then here were some pre-order benefits from Winter's album, We. And then here's some more random stuff. I made this like EXO kind of thing. And then these were given to me from a group order. And then these Jungkook pictures were given to me from my friend. And then here I have this Mino first solo album poster. And next to it I have this Jonghyun poet artist poster with more prints on top. And then I painted these shiny Story of Light album covers. And then I have this Day 6 Moonrise thing that came with the album. And then I have this shiny Odd poster. Then I have some postcards that came in Winter's Everyday album. This came in the NCT Empathy album. And some more paintings. This Monster X poster that came with one of their albums. And here I have some more prints and stuff that I've gotten. And here are these Haikyuu keychains that I got off of Amazon. And here I just have more random posters and art stuff. And then here I have this painting that was gifted to me, and then I have these Polaroids that I made. And next to it I have my mirror that I painted. And next to that I have my laundry bin. And then I have this little organizer for my art supplies. And next to it is my closet. My closet, I painted it with some of my favorite Haikyuu characters. And then I have some manga panels of Haikyuu. Yes, this actually took me a long time to hand paint. A lot of them like look kind of messed up. Like here in Kageyama's face, I messed up his face. This was like really rushed. I feel like the only characters I actually painted good were Akashi and Pokuto. But this was really fun to paint, and overall I like it. That was my finished room tour. As you can tell, I have a lot of things just crowded on my walls. I've like collected so many things and just put it up on my walls in like a span of like 3 years. So a lot of the things that I have been with me for like a while. But yes, I hope you guys liked my room tour, and thank you guys so much for watching.